Two fintech giants, Mercury and Payoneer, face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Mercury, simplify your business banking and power up your US operations. On the right, Payoneer, global payments made easy for businesses reaching across borders. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Every category earns points, so you'll know exactly which platform comes out ahead. The result in 2025 might surprise you.
Okay, before we get rolling, let's get a bird's eye view. Here's what we're comparing: cost, global reach, features, banking services, and security. You can totally picture this as a mind map where each branch leads to juicy details about Mercury and Payoneer. Got it? All right, let's jump right in. First up, cost. So Mercury flexes pretty hard here. No opening fees, which honestly is super refreshing. Plus, their currency exchange fee is just 1%. Kinda love how upfront that is. But quick note, they don't really play well when it comes to sending payments internationally. Now, switching over to Payoneer, they shout about multi-currency accounts and low fees for international transfers, which sounds great, but those 1 to 3% receiving fees plus some currency conversion markups might have you wincing a little if you're getting paid a lot from overseas. So, by a hair, Mercury comes out on top in the cost department. All right, shifting gears. Global reach. Mercury keeps things super simple, but almost too much. They're definitely US focused, and integrating with US financial tools is kind of a breeze, but anything outside the States? Kinda limited. Now, Payoneer. This is where it truly shines. Multi-currency accounts, global payment options. You want to get paid from 6 continents? Their platform pretty much says, bring it on. The flip side, if you're just doing local US stuff, it can actually feel annoyingly complicated. But for worldwide reach, Payoneer totally takes the crown here. Let's talk features. And I have to say, Mercury brings some heat. You get API access, legit cash flow analytics, and yes, they integrate right with Stripe. The only catch? If you're doing a lot of multi-currency business, there's a bit of a ceiling. Now, Payoneer, you still have multi-currency magic and even VAT payment capabilities, which is neat if you're dealing with taxes internationally. But honestly, the financial analytics just aren't as next level as Mercury's. So yeah, Mercury lands the win for features. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Mercury and Payoneer are shaking up the fintech world. But honestly, they're built for entirely different vibes. Whether you want banking muscle or international payment wizardry, there's a platform tailored for you. Banking services. Okay, Mercury doesn't hold back. Think full banking services with FDIC insurance. You even get virtual cards, which, let's face it, are super useful if you're handing these out to your team. Their only issue, again, not the best for non-USD transactions. Now, Payoneer wins points for those multi-currency accounts. And seriously, global ATM access? That's handy if you're traveling or operating everywhere. Still, it's not as comprehensive as Mercury's offering. So, Mercury grabs another win for banking services. Time for security. Mercury, honestly, it feels rock solid. Super smooth 2-factor authentication, and literally every transaction is logged. If you're the paranoid type, hey, no judgment. You'll appreciate this. Payoneer is no slouch either, with secure multi-currency accounts and full PCI compliance. But between the two, Mercury just feels a bit more complete, making it the winner again for security. To sum up visually, imagine a radar chart. Mercury's strengths spike with cost, features, banking services, and security. All very US focused. Payoneer's chart is wide and high on global reach and multi-currency functionality, perfect for folks crossing borders every day. So, you know what? If you're a US focused startup or business and want killer banking features, Mercury is absolutely your best bet. But if your clients, team, or vendors are scattered all over the world and you need those multi-currency accounts, Payoneer is way more your speed. Want all the nitty-gritty before pulling the trigger? For a deep dive into features, pricing, and the fine print, hit up both their official websites. Seriously, it'll make your next step feel way more confident.